Core concrete cutting. Core concrete cutting is a precise and efficient method widely used in construction and renovation projects. This technique involves drilling cylindrical holes into concrete structures to extract a core sample or create opening for pipes, electrical conduits, or HVAC systems. The mathematical aspects of core concrete cutting revolve around determining the optimal drill bit size, calculating the depth of the cut, and ensuring accurate placement of the core holes. The diameter of the core bit, the rotational speed of the drill, and the hardness of the concrete all play crucial roles in these calculations. Additionally, understanding the geometry of the cut and the potential impact on structural integrity is vital. Thanks for watching.